Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and remove or delete a folder from your AOL mail. But before we start our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply step into our video. Simply go to your mobile's browser and type in mail.aol.com. As you can see, you will be able to see this kind of interface once you are logged in. So what you're gonna do is zoom in for you guys. Let me zoom in a little bit. So this is the menu section of AOL Mail. So if you go down, you will be able to find this option called folders, right? Let me zoom out a little bit. And here you can see I have this two folders named new and s over here. So what I will do is once I see the folder, I will be able to see this kind of down arrow icon, right? So I will simply go ahead, tap on it, and I will be able to see this kind of another menu for the folder, including delete folder option. Simply tap on this delete folder and that folder is now removed. As you can see, that's how you can simply do it. Yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.